The concept of Coda is we taking back some of the dish that it has been lost, or some of the curries has been lost and not many people eating it anymore. Like the flavor is not familiar with the new generations. So we're trying to recreate some recipe or the old flavor that they haven't been eating before. Hi, my name is Tap. I'm a head chef at Coda Restaurants. We opened since 3 years ago. Before that, I went to Melbourne. I was there around 8 years. Before I opened up the restaurant in Melbourne, I was in the restaurant called Atika, which is a three-head restaurant. Then my friend has told me, why you don't open the Thai restaurant? Before that, I never cooked Thai cuisine before, and to open the first restaurant is a Thai tapas bar in Melbourne. After that, I closed all two restaurants and I came back to Bangkok to open Koda restaurant. When we look into the Thai food, for me, I love northern cuisine and eastern part of Thailand, because northern of Thailand is next to China, and the Burmese, and on the border they will have like Sichuan peppercorns. I love it so much. It's called makwan, and fresh herbs. Eastern part, they famous about the grilling things. They love to grill things first before they put back into the broth, which means you have more aroma and very unique flavors. So that's why I love these two regions to put into the dish. We have like snacks, we have main course, but we're trying to put the rice as much as possible, because Thai food is very strong flavor. You have the acidity, you have spicy. That's why we have to have the carbs. But we're trying to add the carbs onto our ingredients, so people can have the carbs and all the strong flavor together on the course menu that we serve. Like you're eating normal Thai restaurants, you're gonna have a lot of things with your rice. But once you have to put everything in one bite, right? The snack that we serve, it's really hard to make it because we have to think carefully. A lot of details that we have to put on, even the single small piece of galango that make a difference. That's why everything needs to make last minute, including the salad that we put on the snacks. So everyone have to chop it and put in last minute before we serve, which means it's a lot of work, right? But that's what we love to do, because it's really challenging, and I want to show how the Thai food can become into the world class cuisines. For me, for this year, I trying to do the more cold dish, because normally the local doesn't love to eat cold dish, like soup, curry, rice, everything need to be hot. This year I try to doing cold dish, because you will have a lot of flavors that you can try. Doing something like the Japanese cold dish, which is the thing that I love, that will be perfect. Including we have more like foreigners, so they can enjoy more easier. Super chef.